Hey, what's up? TROY the maker checking in. Welcome to the project. In this project, we're gonna make some earrings. Not just any kind of earring, bamboo style earring, like the ones they used to wear in the 90s. We're gonna use some acrylic, I've been using it a little bit, and some walnut. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe right down there. Hit that before you go any further. Guaranteed, you will be satisfied. What he said. Let me show you the design before we start cutting. Just some type of decorative circle that I found on Google Images. I'm going to engrave the blue parts and I'm going to cut the red line. I got a little red circle right there. That's also where I'm gonna cut, where I'm gonna hook the part to that connects to the ear. This part right here is gonna be the walnut. I'm going to cut it all the way out right here in the red and I'm going to score the blue part inside. I'm gonna cut this part of the earring in gold and I'm going to be able to stick it right on top of the walnut.
Perfect.
Quick tip, when you're trying to take off the small pieces of masking paper that's on your acrylic, use Gorilla Tape. It makes it a lot easier to take off the small pieces of masking around the acrylic. Look at that, straight fire. These turned out really good. I end up hooking a jump ring to the top right here, and then I hooked a little black piece of hook part that you're gonna stick into your ear to the jump ring. I think that's a nice little combo to make it, you know, make it look really good. And I end up using some E6000 to glue it all together, to glue the top part of the acrylic to the walnut and also to the back. It's like literally just right on top of it. It's like, it's not engraved, it's not cut into it or anything like that. It's just like basically it's 3 layers. Turned out really good. Way better than what I thought. It's pretty light also. Way lighter than what I thought it was gonna be. Straight fire. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next project.